Isang bagong level ng nail artistry ang dumating sa Clark matapos magbukas ang Japan-based brand na Delange ng kauna-unahang international branch nitong April 27 sa One West Aero Park sa Clark, Freeport. Nagsimula ang Delange sa Nagoya noong 2010 at nakilala sa 5-star standard nito sa nail artistry. Pinalawak pa ito sa Tokyo sa pamamagitan ng Recordon na nag-aalok ng premium nail care kasama ang advanced hair and skin treatments. Sa pagpasok nito sa Clark, dala ng brand ang pilosopiyang Beauty with Health na ayon sa founder na si Nina Koyama ay sentro ng Japanese nail care.
Delange is a salon born from the desire to deliver authentic Japanese values. We are committed to every detail. Japanese omotenashi hospitality, delicate and precise techniques, and products that are safe and reliable.
Hindi lang simpleng nail salon ang Delange. Tampok nito ang anime-inspired designs, original Japanese gels and oils, at ang omotenashi o Japanese-style hospitality na nagbibigay ng mas maingat at personalized na serbisyo.
I hope you get to try Delange. Come visit our first branch here in the Philippines at One West Aero Park. We chose Clark because first, not only that, I'm a Kapampangan, but we see a lot of potential in Clark, the community, and everybody else.
Sa tulong ng Laos Group at Clark Development Corporation, inaasahan na magdadala ito ng panibagong standard sa beauty at wellness sa lugar.
And we are lucky. But I think they're also very lucky, the Japanese, because it's now a combination of the artistry of the Japanese and the craftsmanship of the Filipinos. Because matyaga tayo sa mga maliliit. So for that, we welcome Delange and we hope we can support hindi mahal.
Bukas ang salon araw-araw mula 11 a.m. hanggang 9 p.m. at tumatanggap na ng bookings para sa mga nais makaranas ng Japanese nail artistry sa Clark. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.